Okay, so this one applied said, I cannot even see it. I gotta go get my glasses. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be trying and talk about my recent purchase, which is the, as you can see on the title, it's the Olaplex whole collection. So I have actually from number 0 to number 7. The one right in my hand, basically I am holding is the intensive bond building hair treatment. So this is the number 0. I have the number 3 hair perfector, the shampoo, the conditioner, and then I have the bond smoother and the bonding oil. I was recently having a very overprocessed hair. You know, I actually did a lot of hair color, you know, dyed my hair many times over the years. I've changed it, I've bleached it many times as well. So let me show you guys how it really looks like. I have a very long hair, by the way, and I haven't been going to a salon basically because of, you know, what we have, the situation we have right now. I'm still kind of scared to go to a salon. So when I looked up online and I did some research of, you know, maybe how to do it like a DIY to at least bring my hair back to life. I don't know, and it recently too, it feels like my hair is kind of like thinning, and you know, it's over processed, and I've done a lot of hair coloring in the past. My hair is so brittle, it's so dry, and I haven't been going to a salon. And by the way, a little disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist. I am only doing this for myself and showing to you guys what would this Olaplex, the whole collection, since, you know, because since they've been raving about this over the internet, you know, I've been seeing a lot of, you know, women been using these. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to try first the number 0, which is the intensive bond treatment. So what it says over here, by the way, I cannot see it, I cannot read it completely, so I have to wear my glasses. So what it said over here is said that apply number 0 to dry hair to saturate from root to tip. Okay, leave it on hair for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. So apply a generous amount of number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, so what I have is the number 0. Okay, let me take this. I have a blurred vision sometimes and I cannot read it. It's so tiny. Like, how can you even read it? Okay, here's the moment of truth. So now I'm going to be trying the, let me just brush my hair. Okay, so now this is the intensive bond building treatment. So it said from root to tip. Wait, let me just get my rat tail comb. I have my rat tail comb. Okay, I'm gonna be using rat tail comb because I want to section up my hair. But this one, this is the number 0. And by the way, guys, the number 4 shampoo and the number 5 conditioner, I'm gonna be doing that behind the scenes. So, for now, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what is this intensive bond building treatment is gonna look like. So, said from root to tip. Oh, so it's dry hair. I'm kind of scared. I don't know. Let me just comb my hair as well. So saturate the whole thing. You can see the roots too of my hair because I've colored my hair 2 months ago. And hopefully I'm doing this correctly. Sometimes there are things that needs to be leaved on to the professionals. I really do believe that. But right now, because since I have all of these products here, I think I'm just gonna leave it up to myself right now. And wish me luck. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm kind of nervous. But I've been seeing a lot of videos of other people using Olaplex. And they've been, you know, they've been saying a lot of nice things about this. I feel like I'm gonna be using 1 bottle for my whole hair because I have a very long hair. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, by the way. It just said that to saturate the whole thing, saturate to your hair from root to tip. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. has a nice scent. It's really difficult to maintain on very long hair, by the way. It's like a watery consistency, by the way, and it has kind of like a yellow greenish color. It's almost half already. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna be using the whole bottle. Are you sure? I'm not sure. But whatever, we'll just have to go into it. Hopefully the Olaplex can save my hair. Because you know, it's really high maintenance. If you go into the salon all the time, it's gonna cost you a lot of money all the time, especially for hair treatments. So yeah, I actually use half of the bottle. So as you can see, my hair looks so flat already. My hair looks so flat. So it has no volume because it's wet, of course. So as of the moment, this is what it looks like. I've saturated, and yes, I actually use half of the bottle. So saturated, and so wait for 10 minutes. And then right after this, I am going to be trying the number 3, which is the hair perfector. Okay, because over here in the bottle it said that leave it on for 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And for the number 3, use before shampooing. So now I'm going to be trying on the number 3, and this is the hair perfector. I really have to wear my glasses because I cannot read the instructions. So it said over here, use once per week. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, so it said over here, apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. And then follow up with the number 4 and the number 5, which is the number 4, which is the shampoo, and the number 5 is the conditioner. Okay, so now I am going to put a generous amount. I guess you're just gonna have to apply it straightforward. Oh, it smells good. So by the way, guys, this is what it looks like, the number 3 of the hair perfector. So it really is just, it's kind of like a texture of a conditioner. It actually does smell good too. Apply a generous amount of it. By the way, guys, I have a video of the hair color that I've used. I mean, my hair color, I have it over here. You can just go click that part. The price of this one, I think this is the size of 100 ml. They have a smaller size, by the way, of this, and I believe this is like $28. I actually purchased the child kit. It has 4. It has the number 3, number 4, number 5, and up to 6. It has 4 in one box, and this is the trial kit. The other ones that I purchased individually. So this one, I don't think they're still available at the stores, but you can probably go online and see what it is. So this is like a trial kit. I'm not really quite sure how much was this one because I purchased this a long time ago. I decided to buy the original, the regular size of the number 3 and the number 0, and I purchased the rest of it. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be leaving this on for 10 minutes. It said on the instructions. So I already put the number 3, which is the hair perfector. I'll come back. I'm gonna be washing my hair with the number 4 and the number 5. The number 4 is the shampoo, and then the number 5 is the conditioner. So I'm gonna be doing that behind the scenes, and I will be right back. Okay, so now as you can see, basically I washed my hair. So the next one I'm gonna be using, so I did the number 4 and the number 5. The number 4 is the shampoo, and the number 5 is the conditioner. So the next thing is this one, the Bond Smoother, Olaplex Bond Smoother. This is what I'm going to be putting on next. Okay, so it says over here, apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-length to ends. Okay, comb through and style as desired. Okay, so it's only minimum amount, not so much. So it's only, I guess it's only, is some tiny bit, a very small. So hopefully this one will do. So I'm just gonna go, it says mid-length of the hair. And the next part is I don't know if I could use both, because the other one is the bonding oil. I don't know what's the difference between the two, but just because of the sequence, the number sequence, I just wanted to try it on as well. So it says over here in the box, apply a small amount to damp or dry hair as well. So it's the same thing as the number 6, the bond treatment. I mean the bond smoother. So it's typical the same thing, but since because you know the purpose of this video is to try them all, and let's see. So this is a very tiny amount, so if you can see that, that's a tiny running through. So what I'm going to be doing next is to style my hair. It's so nice and smooth. It's like, you know, earlier, like when you put up my hair like that, it's only gonna stay. Now, ta-da! So, okay, so what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to just go ahead and style my hair, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back now, guys. So this is what my hair looks like now. So I already styled. I actually did a flat iron, and I am very amazed on the results of the hair. You know, earlier my hair was so brittle and was so dry. It was like so flat as well. I mean, you can really tell the difference between the before and after. It's very nice. I mean, yeah, I just can't stop touching it. It really is nice, by the way. Like, I am just speechless, basically. So yeah, so if you wanted you guys to try, if I were you guys, if you're not really sure, and if you're just, you know, maybe because of the price is too pricey, too kind of like, you know, not reasonable enough for you to purchase, I would suggest that you guys get the trial kit, you know, on their website. I believe they're still selling those on their website. Other than that, there are some stores, maybe on Amazon or Sephora or any you know, beauty stores, that they would, you know, still have the regular size. But this one, by the way, the number 0, it's not really included with the trial kit, so you would have to purchase this individually. So the only thing that it has in the trial kit is the number 3, 4, 5, and 6. So basically what I used earlier, I used the number 0, and then the number 3, and then 4, 5, which is the 4 is the shampoo, and the number 5 is the conditioner. Then the number 6 is the bond smoother, and the number 7. So this is not included in the trial kit, by the way. This is individual purchase. But you know, it's not really advisable for you to use the Smooth Perfector every day. So it says over here it's only like at least once a week. But if your hair is really damaged, then you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. If you're really curious about it, you should just try it. And by the way, guys, I have the link in the description box below. So I really can't stop touching my hair. It's just so nice, you know, because it feels like you just came out from the salon. I'm very, you know, I'm speechless. I'm speechless, but I keep on talking. I'm the type of person who's always having a bad hair day before, but now I am ready to go out and just go and enjoy the hair that I'm having right now. And I love it, guys. So yay for not having a bad hair day again. It actually, Olaplex helped my hair turn back to life. So thank you, Olaplex. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you really like my content, hit like and then please subscribe, guys. And please don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to okay, excuse me.